On future battlefields, soldiers may be replaced by AI-powered robotic dogs. Ghost Robotics Vision 60 quadrupedal unmanned ground vehicles are at the forefront of this shift, designed for combat with agility, durability, and advanced sensors. Built to handle extreme terrain and increasingly armed, these high-tech robo-dogs mark a new era in ground warfare, where machines modeled after animals lead the charge. The genesis of Ghost Robotics. The company behind these highly capable robots is Ghost Robotics, founded in 2016. This Philadelphia-based company emerged from the prestigious University of Pennsylvania's School of Engineering and Applied Science, with the goal of advancing the development of unmanned ground vehicles inspired by biological movement. The brainchild of bio-inspired robotics, the Vision 60 series was designed to mimic the movements and flexibility of animals, specifically dogs, making them both agile and capable of navigating complex terrains that would challenge wheeled or tracked vehicles. In addition to their mobility, Vision 60 robots are designed with a robust and durable frame, able to withstand environmental conditions such as extreme heat, rain, snow, and debris-filled environments. These factors make the Vision 60 series incredibly valuable in both military and industrial applications, where terrain and environmental obstacles can make traditional vehicles ineffective. As technology advances, Ghost Robotics has enhanced these bots with additional capabilities, such as better AI for recognizing their surroundings and more accurate mapping for reconnaissance missions, from surveillance to combat. At the heart of Ghost Robotics' appeal is the versatility of the Vision 60 robot. These robotic dogs are not just designed to look cool or act as sci-fi props. They serve a practical, highly functional purpose, particularly in military settings. Equipped with an impressive array of sensors, cameras, and high-tech AI, Vision 60 robots are capable of conducting surveillance, reconnaissance, explosive detection, and even complex security operations. In military applications, Vision 60 robots are able to provide soldiers with a unique advantage by conducting dangerous tasks that might otherwise put human life at risk. For example, one of the primary uses for these robots is reconnaissance. Equipped with high-definition cameras and AI-powered analysis systems, they can provide real-time imagery and detailed intelligence about enemy positions or the condition of key infrastructure, all while remaining in remote or potentially hazardous environments. Another significant area of application is security. These robotic dogs are already being used for perimeter security tasks. For example, they can patrol restricted areas or help secure military bases by moving through terrain that might be difficult for traditional guard dogs or human soldiers to navigate. Their ability to traverse rubble, uneven ground, and even climb stairs means that they can go where humans often cannot. Most notably, however, Ghost Robotics has partnered with Sword International, a company that specializes in weaponized robots, to develop a version of the Vision 60 armed with an AI-powered rifle. The integration of weapons transforms the robot from a simple surveillance tool into an autonomous or semi-autonomous combatant. This version of the robot can identify and engage targets with a high degree of accuracy, all while minimizing human exposure to danger. It's a game changer for modern warfare, and while a human operator still plays a role in controlling these robots, AI provides added efficiency by processing data and making decisions in real time. A worldwide phenomenon. The appeal of robotic war dogs isn't restricted to the United States. Their deployment is becoming increasingly widespread on a global scale. Militaries across the world have expressed interest in testing and deploying Ghost Robotics Vision 60 robots, thanks to their adaptability, intelligence, and ability to reduce risks to human soldiers. The US Army, for instance, has tested these robots at the Red Sands Integrated Experimentation Center in Saudi Arabia. In collaboration with counter-drone operations, these armed robots are evaluated for their ability to track and neutralize aerial threats while providing valuable ground reconnaissance. This experiment highlights the growing importance of AI and robotics in modern defense systems, where they can enhance existing strategies and provide a critical edge in fast-moving, high-stakes environments. Furthermore, special forces like the Marine Special Operations Command have shown an interest in utilizing these robots for more specialized missions. From conducting tunnel inspections to guarding sensitive military sites, the Vision 60 offers significant advantages in dangerous operations that require high maneuverability and operational precision. The ability to deploy a robot in place of a human allows for critical military assets to be preserved while still completing vital missions. Beyond the United States, other countries have also jumped on the robotic bandwagon. Israel, for example, has deployed robotic dogs for surveillance and reconnaissance missions in conflict zones. Meanwhile, Germany is testing the Vision 60 for use in bomb detection and unexploded ordnance clearance. The German Bundeswehr's interest is particularly telling, as it highlights the growing international recognition of the utility of AI-powered robots in defense applications. The ethical debate: man's best friend or machine's best weapon? The introduction of AI-powered robotic dogs into military operations, however, isn't without controversy. The idea of weaponized robots, autonomous systems that can potentially make life and death decisions without direct human control, has raised serious ethical questions. On one side of the debate, proponents argue that these robots could save countless human lives by using autonomous or semi-autonomous machines to handle dangerous tasks, such as bomb disposal or engaging enemy combatants. Soldiers are placed at less risk. Additionally, the precision of robotic warfare could lead to fewer civilian casualties compared to traditional military operations, where human soldiers may make mistakes or act in ways that cause collateral damage. However, critics raise valid concerns about the implications of weaponized robots. They argue that autonomous weapons, such as AI-driven war dogs, could be easily exploited by rogue states or non-state actors. Furthermore, the idea that a machine might decide who lives and who dies based on algorithms and sensors rather than human judgment raises alarms regarding accountability in warfare. Who is responsible when a robot makes a mistake? Should robots have the power to use deadly force? These questions, which are currently being debated at various levels of government, are crucial for shaping the future of AI in warfare. Moreover, there's the matter of trust. While these machines are designed to operate with high precision, the idea of entrusting life and death decisions to artificial intelligence brings forward concerns about reliability, decision-making frameworks, and safeguards. This debate is ongoing in both governmental and academic circles, and it's likely to shape how robotic technologies are utilized in future conflicts. Robo-dogs in the battlefield. The role of robots in modern combat is expanding rapidly, and Ghost Robotics is at the cutting edge of this revolution. As technology continues to evolve, the Vision 60 and similar robots are expected to become even more sophisticated, with more advanced AI and improved communication systems that allow them to better cooperate with human soldiers. One potential development is the further integration of autonomous decision-making capabilities. While current robots rely on human operators for high-level decision-making, future iterations may have the ability to make more autonomous decisions on the fly. This would increase the speed at which these robots can respond to new threats, but it would also raise the stakes for AI accountability in military operations. Another area of growth is in the durability and design of these robots. As they are deployed in harsher conditions and more complex environments, we can expect advances in robotics that will allow for greater resilience in even the most extreme situations. This might include advanced materials that protect robots from high-impact forces, extreme temperatures, or even weapons fire, making them more capable in combat zones. However, as this technology develops, there will need to be clear and globally accepted guidelines governing its use. The proliferation of robotic dogs in warfare will demand rigorous oversight to ensure that these machines are used responsibly and humanely. And there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI war dogs and want to stay up to date on the latest in military tech, make sure to hit that like and don't forget to subscribe.